Hey Python enthusiasts, ready to unlock the full power of Python with advanced conditionals and loops? Let's dive right into week 4. First up, let's talk about nested if statements. Sometimes you need to check multiple conditions within another condition. This is called nesting. For example, imagine you have two variables and if is greater than 5 and is greater than 3, you can nest an if statement to check both conditions. Python x equals sign 10y equals sign 5 if x 5, and the output, both conditions met. The inner if statement only executes if the outer if condition is true. Next, let's use the keyword for membership testing. This lets you check if a value exists in a list or string. For instance, Python name equals sign Mark if m in name. Here m is found in Mark. Cool, right? It also works with lists. Python fruits equals sign apple, banana, cherry. If banana in fruits, output, banana is in the list. Now let's talk about loop control statements like and. These special keywords modify how loops behave. With you stop the loop immediately, Python for num in range, 5, the output will be 0, 1, 2. The loop stops when equals 3. Using you skip the current iteration and move to the next one, Python for num in range, 5. This time the output is 0, 1, 3, 4. The loop skips printing, finally does nothing. It's a placeholder for future code Python for I in range, 5. And the output, the loop runs as usual, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, time to check your understanding. Try these questions. 1. What will this code output? Python for I in range, 5, 1. What's the difference between and in loops? 1. How does behave differently from? Got any questions or need more explanations? Let me know in the comments. Happy coding!